Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll show you how to fully integrate Outgrow with HubSpot. Let's get started. First, log into your Outgrow dashboard. Open the content piece you want to connect with HubSpot. This could be a calculator, quiz, assessment, or poll. Then click on the Configure tab. Next, click on the Integration button. Scroll down and find HubSpot in the integration list. Finally, click Connect HubSpot account. You'll now be redirected to the HubSpot Authorization page. Then select the account you want to connect and click Authorize. Before authorizing, ensure you have logged in your HubSpot account. Once authorized, Outgrow will now have permission to send leads directly to your HubSpot CRM. After this, you will land on the Send Outgrow Data to HubSpot dashboard. Here, you can change the name of your account, for example, to Outgrow plus HubSpot for clearer understanding in the future. Now, click on the Proceed with Contact or Forms option, and then click to proceed to Map Fields. Now you will enter the Map Fields section. Here, you need to select Contact or Form to track your lead data. Proceed with the Contact option, then click on the Select and Continue button. This means every time someone submits your quiz or calculator, a new contact will automatically be created in HubSpot. Now comes one of the most important steps. Field mapping. Field mapping ensures that the information collected in Outgrow is sent to the correct fields in HubSpot. Now, click on the Click Here button to view and automatically map the matched fields. You will see the Automap Matching Fields section, where you can select the fields you want to map in your lead data. Let's select common data from the lead forms, such as first name, last name, and email address, and then click on the Map Fields button. And then click on the Test Connection button. You will receive a notification. Integration activated. The responses from this recommendation will be sent to HubSpot. Before going live, always run a quick test. Open your Outgrow content and submit a test response using a sample email address. Then go to the Outgrow HubSpot integration section and click on Task History to check your contacts. You should see the new contact created along with the mapped information. If everything appears correctly, your integration is working perfectly. Once everything looks fine, publish these changes. Ready to capture smarter leads? Start your free Outgrow trial today and integrate it with HubSpot to automate your lead generation.